Congratulations to Trey and Senia. They had their daughter yesterday. Trey posted up on his Instagram. He said, rename my heart True Destiny. That's her name. And she was born on 12/8/2020. From last night and moving forward, this ish ain't about me anymore. Definitely not. It's all about the babies. It's all about you, my baby. This is an unexplainable love I ain't never felt before. Never even knew that crying tears of joy was even real until I held you in my arms for the first time. I was losing hope and motivation for a lot of ish like music and my passion, but after having you, any ounce of doubt I had for myself, goals, or anything is gone. I'm putting everything on the line. Everything I do is for you now. My baby, Senia, thank you for blessing me with the best Christmas gift ever. Aww, I love you. You're so strong. You took the pain and pushed her out like a G. And then several YouTubers congratulated him, and Senia responded in the comments. She said, warms my heart. Aww, I watched you and I both become completely two different people yesterday. Literally has changed our worlds around in the best way possible. I couldn't give her a better father than you, and literally the best man for this. You have the heart of soul, the passion, and the love. Watching her make you even more stronger is a blessing I can't even describe. I love you, baby. Thank you as well for being able to start this journey with you and our beautiful baby girl. Aw, congratulations to them both. They're new parents, and this is a wonderful Christmas gift to have a new baby. Oh my God, this is amazing. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you're thinking. Until next time, peace.